Alright guys, so as you know, Betaflight 4.2 has officially been released, and there's a new configurator 10.7, and as part of that configurator release, they released a preview of the Betaflight configurator for Android phones. So I'm going to show you how to download and install that, and the reason I'm going to be using this phone app is out in the field. It's going to be easier to do PID tuning changes with the sliders, which is something you can't do with the SpeedyBee app, and I'm going to be using that for PID tuning tutorials for various size micro drones and other size drones in the future. So you want to stay tuned for those videos. Those will be coming up, because I know a lot of you guys are asking for 4.2 tuning videos. But before you install this app, you're going to need to get something here, and I showed you this before in the SpeedyBee app. It's a USB on-the-go cable. It looks like this, and my phone is USB-C, so one side is USB-C and the other side is micro USB for flight controllers. And you see I've got this flight controller Crazy Bee F4 Lite plugged in on this side, and I'll link this in the description. You may need a different one, so let me know in the description what kind of phone you have, or let me know in the comments what kind of phone you have, and I'll link some other ones down in the description. I think for people that have the old micro USB phones, you might need a different on-the-go cable, but this is what you need to connect your phone with the Betaflight app to flight controllers using the Android app. So this will be linked down in the description. You definitely need to get this first. Okay, so the second thing you're going to do is go into your settings and allow whatever file manager app you have to install programs from unknown sources, because that's a security thing for Google. So this is how it works on my phone. Every Android phone seems to be a little bit different, so you're going to probably have to Google this to figure out how to change this for your particular phone. I'm running Android 9 on a Galaxy Note 8, so again, your phone might be different. So what I did for mine is I went to my settings here, and I had to search for something called special access. And then here, it's going to be a huge list, and you want to go down to install unknown apps. And you want to enable your file manager, whatever that is. I'm using this thing called ES File Explorer Pro. And then you want to allow from the source and enable that. That will then allow you to install the app once you've downloaded it. Now to download the app, you got to go to your browser. I'll link this in the description as well. This is link here that shows the different releases. And I'm not going to go over all the release notes here. This is Betaflight 10.70. You got to scroll down, and there's a section called assets you have to find. Here it is. And under here, it might be hidden, so you have to click on it. So it might be like this. So you have to click on it, and then you're going to want to download Betaflight Configurator 10.7.0 Preview Android APK. So just click on that, and then download that to your phone, and then you want to go to your file manager app. In this case, it's ES File Manager Pro for me, and go to your downloads folder where it's been downloaded. Here's the file, Betaflight Configurator 10.70 Android APK, and go ahead and click that, and then I'll ask you if you want to install it. So hit install. Now, if you don't have this, if you didn't do that security part where you enabled installing of unknown apps, then this won't work. You're gonna have to go back and do that. So go ahead and install. I've already installed it on mine. It's just like you install any other Android app. And then you want to go ahead and place the icon somewhere on your phone, and then go ahead and launch the app. And this is pretty much exactly the same as the desktop app. So you go over here and click this little menu here. You can see the ports, for example, and then over here click on this menu, and this will show you the menu that you typically see in the desktop app. So this is all pretty familiar. And if you have your on-the-go cable, you go ahead and plug it in. And that should power up the flight controller. And it's set to auto connect, as you can see here. And everything works exactly the same way. So if you move the flight controller around, the little model on the screen also moves around. But all of the settings are here. So let's go ahead and hide this menu. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see here all of these menus are the same as before. Just that, and because of the phone screen orientation, things might be in a little bit harder to find. So, like for example, all the little tabs on the left are going to be on this menu over here. You click on that, and then all this will pop up. So you have things like, for example, PID tuning. This is a thing that I wanted to show you. Here, then you can use the sliders to do your PID tuning, which is I'm going to show you in future videos. And what's also great about the Android the app is you can actually record the screen, and that's why I'm going to be showing you the tuning out in the field for various future craft. So that's pretty much it for getting this set up. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.